Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I am doing great today.
Hello, what is your favorite country?
My favorite country is Japan today.
Why do you love that country?
I love its beautiful culture deeply.
What makes that country special?
Its traditions and technology feel amazing.
Do you want visiting there soon?
Yes, I want visiting there soon.
Which city attracts you most there?
Tokyo attracts me the most there.
What food seems delicious there?
Sushi and ramen seem delicious there.
Are people friendly in that country?
Yes, people seem extremely friendly there.
What famous places exist there?
Many famous temples and towers exist.
Would you live there permanently?
Yes, I would happily live there.
Which language do people speak there?
Most people speak Japanese language there.
Is the weather pleasant there?
Yes, the weather feels pleasant often.
Do tourists enjoy visiting there often?
Yes, tourists enjoy visiting there greatly.
What culture interests you there?
Their respectful culture interests me deeply.
Are the streets clean there?
Yes, the streets stay very clean.
What traditions seem unique there?
Tea ceremonies seem unique and beautiful.
Is transportation convenient in that country?
Yes, transportation feels convenient and modern.
Do you like their national festivals?
Yes, their festivals look colorful everywhere.
Which season looks beautiful there?
Spring season looks especially beautiful there.
Are hotels expensive in that country?
Some hotels feel expensive for tourists.
Do you enjoy their local music?
Yes, I enjoy their calming music.
What sports are popular there?
Baseball and soccer remain popular there.
Is the country peaceful nowadays?
Yes, the country feels peaceful nowadays.
Which landmark do you admire most?
I admire Mount Fuji very much.
Do you know famous people there?
Yes, many famous artists live there.
Is shopping fun in that country?
Yes, shopping feels exciting and fun.
What clothes do people wear?
Many people wear stylish modern clothes.
Are beaches attractive in that country?
Yes, beaches look attractive and relaxing.
Which food would you try first?
I would try sushi first there.
Do children study well there?
Yes, children study very seriously there.
Is healthcare good in that country?
Yes, healthcare services appear very excellent.
What transportation would you use there?
I would use trains most frequently.
Do people respect tourists there?
Yes, people respect tourists very kindly.
Is nature beautiful in that country?
Yes, nature appears beautiful and peaceful.
What animals live there commonly?
Many birds and deer live there.
Do families enjoy traveling there together?
Yes, families enjoy traveling there together.
Which movie showed that country beautifully?
Many movies showed Japan beautifully worldwide.
Is the nightlife exciting there?
Yes, nightlife seems exciting and colorful.
What activities attract tourists there?
Sightseeing and shopping attract tourists there.
Are museums popular in that country?
Yes, museums remain popular among visitors.
Do you enjoy learning their history?
Yes, their history feels truly fascinating.
Which mountain looks amazing there?
Mount Fuji looks absolutely amazing there.
Are restaurants affordable in that country?
Some restaurants feel affordable for tourists.
What souvenirs would you buy there?
I would buy traditional handmade souvenirs.
Is public transportation crowded there?
Yes, transportation becomes crowded during rush hours.
Do people celebrate holidays grandly there?
Yes, People celebrate holidays very grandly.
Which traditional dish sounds interesting?
Takoyaki sounds interesting and very delicious.
Are parks beautiful in that country?
Yes, parks appear peaceful and beautiful.
Do you enjoy their architecture style?
Yes, their architecture style looks wonderful.
Which river flows through that country?
Many rivers flow across that country.
Are schools modern in that country?
Yes, schools look modern and advanced.
What transportation system impresses you there?
Their train system impresses me greatly.
Is the country technologically advanced today?
Yes, the country feels technologically advanced.
Do people work hard there?
Yes, people work very hard there.
Which famous festival happens there annually?
Cherry blossom festivals happen annually there.
Are streets safe during nighttime?
Yes, streets feel safe during nighttime.
What traditional art exists there?
Traditional painting and calligraphy exist there.
Do tourists take many pictures there?
Yes, tourists take countless pictures there.
Which city has beautiful nightlife?
Tokyo has beautiful and exciting nightlife.
Is communication easy for foreigners there?
Yes, communication feels easier for foreigners.
What natural wonders exist there?
Mountains, lakes, and forests exist there.
Are people polite in that country?
Yes, people behave politely toward everyone.
Which traditional dance looks exciting there?
Traditional dances look exciting and colorful.
Do tourists enjoy shopping malls there?
Yes, tourists enjoy shopping malls greatly.
What currency do people use there?
People use Japanese yen currency there.
Are airports modern in that country?
Yes, airports appear modern and organized.
Which food market attracts visitors most?
Fish markets attract many visitors there.
Is internet service fast there?
Yes, internet service feels extremely fast.
Do locals help tourists kindly there?
Yes, locals help tourists kindly everywhere.
Which island looks beautiful there?
Okinawa looks beautiful and peaceful there.
Are there many historical buildings there?
Yes, many historical buildings still exist.
What transportation seems fastest there?
Bullet trains seem fastest across Japan.
Do you admire their education system?
Yes, I admire their education system.
Which beach would you visit first?
I would visit Okinawa Beach first.
Is the country crowded with tourists?
Yes, many tourists visit throughout seasons.
What jobs are common there?
Technology and tourism jobs remain common.
Are traditional clothes colorful there?
Yes, traditional clothes appear colorful beautifully.
Which language would you learn there?
I would learn Japanese language there.
Do people enjoy outdoor activities there?
Yes, people enjoy outdoor activities regularly.
What makes that country unforgettable?
Its culture makes the country unforgettable.
Are there famous temples there?
Yes, many famous temples exist there.
Which local snack sounds tasty there?
Rice crackers sound tasty and crunchy.
Do tourists feel comfortable there usually?
Yes, tourists usually feel comfortable there.
What cultural event attracts foreigners there?
Cultural festivals attract many foreign visitors.
Are train stations modern there?
Yes, train stations appear modern everywhere.
Which traditional song sounds beautiful there?
Traditional songs sound peaceful and beautiful.
Do people celebrate birthdays differently there?
Yes, birthdays feel different and meaningful.
What local drink would you taste?
I would taste green tea there.
Are there beautiful lakes there?
Yes, many beautiful lakes exist there.
Which famous street attracts tourists there?
Famous shopping streets attract many tourists.
Is the economy strong there nowadays?
Yes, the economy remains strong nowadays.
Do locals enjoy international tourists there?
Yes, locals welcome international tourists warmly.
What adventure sports happen there?
Hiking and skiing happen there frequently.
Are roads wide in that country?
Yes, roads look wide and organized.
Which local dessert seems delicious there?
Mochi seems delicious and very sweet.
Do people speak English there often?
Some people speak English there often.
What transportation feels comfortable there?
Trains feel comfortable and extremely convenient.
Are there many shopping centers there?
Yes, many shopping centers exist there.
Which tourist attraction seems most exciting?
Tokyo Disneyland seems most exciting there.
Is public behavior respectful there?
Yes, public behavior feels respectful everywhere.
Do you admire their traditional culture?
Yes, I admire their traditional culture.
What makes their food famous worldwide?
Fresh ingredients make their food famous.
Are festivals colorful in that country?
Yes, festivals appear colorful and lively.
Which famous bridge exists there?
Many famous bridges exist throughout Japan.
Do tourists visit during winter there?
Yes, tourists visit during winter frequently.
What traditional instrument sounds interesting there?
Traditional drums sound powerful and interesting.
Are local markets crowded there usually?
Yes, local markets become crowded usually.
Which park attracts families most there?
National parks attract many families there.
Is the transportation system affordable there?
Yes, transportation feels affordable and efficient.
Do people enjoy healthy lifestyles there?
Yes, people enjoy healthy lifestyles regularly.
What local activity would you join?
I would join local cultural festivals.
Are villages peaceful in that country?
Yes, villages feel peaceful and relaxing.
Which restaurant would you visit there?
I would visit famous sushi restaurants.
Is customer service excellent there?
Yes, customer service feels excellent there.
What famous tower exists there?
Tokyo Tower exists famously in Japan.
Are local festivals enjoyable for tourists?
Yes, local festivals feel enjoyable everywhere.
Would you recommend that country strongly?
Yes, I strongly recommend visiting Japan.